Hello, all you tech people out there. How are you doing today? I am often asked this question that if somebody wants to create a mobile app, what should they consider? Should they create mobile app in Java, Kotlin, Flutter, React Native, or something else? Honestly, it's a bit difficult question, but I will try to summarize it in a way where it might be helpful to you in your decision making. Now, before coming to this particular question, there is one question you must answer. The question is, why are you creating your mobile app? There are two reasons to create a mobile app. First, if your mobile app itself is a product, or second is if you want to sell some products from your mobile app. So when I'm talking about your mobile app itself is a product, which means that you are creating a mobile app which is a gaming app where your app itself is a product, and you need to make sure that you have to compete with many other offerings in that area. So if that is the reason for you to create mobile app, I will highly recommend you to go ahead with the native offerings like Java, Kotlin, Swift. Because you know what, if you have seen something in mobile app and you want to replicate the same, you can do that. Also, if you use native offerings, you can control CPU and memory resources in a better way, which is difficult to control when you use some third-party offerings, right? Now, second thing is, if you are creating a mobile app to sell your product, in those cases, I will recommend you to go ahead with React Native or Flutter kind of thing, because your mobile app is not a product. You are trying to sell your product, and if you want to create a site like Amazon mobile app or Flipkart mobile app, those can be easily created with React Native and Flutter without any perceivable difference in time as compared to native apps. So the reason why I am recommending you to use Flutter or React Native in that case, because 99.9% or even 95% bare minimum code will be common, configuration will be common between iOS and Android. And if you are selling your product from a mobile app, what is your primary focus, your product or your mobile app? The primary focus should be your product. No matter how you create your mobile app, it's your product that gets sold. Okay, so your primary focus should be on your product, not onto mobile app. Of course, your mobile app must be good and must have a decent user experience, but it is your product that matters. It is your product which is gonna bring people back to your site or your mobile app. So these are the things I think you must consider before deciding on to whether you want to use native offering or you want to use third party offering to create a mobile app. I hope I have explained this in a way where it is easy for you to decide on. Thanks a lot, people. Thanks for watching. Till the next time we meet. Good day, goodbye. Take care.